So now I need to move it on. I can't do a complete row without moving the quilt on. So I take off my side clamps and then I release the stopper over here and I just move the quilt on. The reason I've left that down is because I can see then when I've gone far enough. So I want to be able to do it as far as there. And the nice thing about having the little buddy is that everything is just rolled on nicely, everything that's squared up. I can see that this is fine. I'm just going to put my side clamps on over here, and I've got a piece of tape marker just to make sure that as I've moved it forward, I've got this tape marker to make sure that it's lined up and it's moving forward equally. Some people put a double zeroed tape so it goes in the center and then they can see that it's 20 inches to each side or whatever it is. I'm just going to do a little line of stitching down the edge as I've now moved it forward. I'm just going to go down to 4 SPI and I'm just going to pop the channel lock on so it's nice and straight. Which again just confirms, put that back up, that just confirms that I've got the right position as I've moved forward. Just trim my edges and we're ready to go. So put the side clamps on here, it's all nicely tensioned. Visually I'll make sure that this alignment, because I've got blocks, I just want to make sure that these blocks are looking visually correct. And it is, it's sort of, this edge is running at exactly the same point on this front rail. Perfect. Now I can make my adjustment as to where my laser light needs to be. So I just drop that back into the pointy bit of my design and adjust my laser light so that it's on the dashed line, the pointy bit of my dashed line. Take the needle up and then just visually just make sure that that all looks jolly hunky-dory. And I can look and see my previous lines and just make sure that they are looking good. And they are. That's good. There's my little dotty bit. So perfect. I can go back to this side of the quilt and pick up the thread in the wadding and the backing fabric at the side, which is where I'm going to start the quilting from. And away we go. Just stop there, visually check, make sure it's all good. Yep, that looks great. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, one of the things that I do as I'm sewing along, I'm just listening as well. You get used to the sound of your own sewing machine. Nice. Row number 3, please.